outcut cube. You know when you did this last time, I had to flip the entire video.
Oh, really?
Because it was upside down.
Oh shit, I didn't know that. How you film it upside down? Alright, this is how to pronounce IKEA furniture. Alright. Let's give a hands up for Linus. And his 3 hands.
Thank you.
No worries, yeah. You're welcome. No.
Actually, can you put it in non-stick, please?
Oh yeah, no worries. $9, you liar. It's $30.
No, the smaller one.
Look, orangutan, chimpanzee, and bonobo, formerly known as the pygmy or dwarf chimpanzee.
Bonobo.
Who invited Linus? Look at this. Linus, this is so wrong. Who invited the leprechauns? Who invited? This is IKEA. This is Swedish. Who invited these stupid?
Poop rabbit.
Hello, this is voiceover Linus. So we ate IKEA food as well. We didn't eat any of the actual food. We just kept buying ice cream. They had this soy ice cream, which is weird. I don't know if it was cheaper, but it was different. I also ate it in Australia because I live here. The food is worse by a lot and it's more expensive. Thank you.
Guys, it's me, second voiceover Linus. Singapore, this is really delicious. I'll give you ice cream if you put a little coin. That's why there was a little coin last time. Thank you.